Watch it, son.
Julio's the man.
Julio King.
Julio G in the house.
Now keep it locked on Radio Los Santos.
Lager, the beer that brought the forest down.
I drive an exotic imported sports car. I eat exotic foreign food like frankfurters and pizza. But when it comes to numbing my mind, I'm a patriot. I drink the beer that brought the forest down. I'm a lager man. And with the new 80-bottle trunk pack, you've got enough for the evening. Last night, I crapped in my bed and pissed in the closet. Hey, it's happy hour somewhere.
Lager brings out the patriot in you.
Talking about the ghetto. Funky ghetto. Trying to survive. Trying to stay alive. The ghetto. The ghetto. Talking about the ghetto. Even though the streets are bumpy, lights burn out, dope fiends dialing and piping their mouth. Old school buddies not doing it right. Every day it's the same and it's the same every night. I wouldn't shoot you, bro, but I'd shoot that fool if you played me close and try to test my cool. Every day I wonder just how I die. Only thing I know is how to survive. There's only one rule in the real world, and that's to take care of you, only you and yours. Keep dealing with the hard times day after day. Might deal me some dope, but then crime don't pay. Black man trying to break in my house again. Thought he got off the dope, doing time in the pen. Even though my brothers do me just like that, I get a lot of love, so I'm giving it back to the ghetto. Talking about the ghetto. The ghetto. Funky ghetto. The ghetto. Trying to live our lives. The ghetto. Won't you tell somebody to show? So just peep the game and don't call it crap, cause to me, life is one hard rap. Even though my sister smoked crack cocaine, she was 9 months pregnant, ain't nothing changed. 600 million on a football team and her baby died just like a dope fiend. The story I tell is so incomplete. 5 kids in the house, no food to eat. Don't look at me and don't ask me why. Mama's next door, getting high. Even though she's got 5 mouths to feed, she'd rather spend her money on the HIT. I always tell the truth about things like this. I wonder if the mayor overlooked that list. Instead of adding to the task force, send some help. Waiting on him, I better help myself. Housing Authority and the OPD. All these guns just to handle me in the ghetto. People are dying. The ghetto. Children are crying. The ghetto. So have enough to eat. The ghetto. Don't even have shoes on there. The ghetto. Even though they put us down and call us animals, we make real big banks and buy brand new clothes, drive fancy cars, make love to stars. Never really saying just who we are. We use alias names like Too Short. Sell your stuff you might kill for. Young kids grow up and that's all they know. Didn't teach him in school, now he's slanging dope. Only thing he knows is how to survive, but will he kill another brother before he dies in the ghetto? We keep one eye open all day long, just hoping and hoping you can pay your bills and not drink too much. Then the problems of life you'll be throwing up like me.
By what the news is saying, people are going crazy out there, and they're trying to blame it on this music thing. I don't know if people are taking music to heart or what they're doing, but y'all just need to slow down a little bit and just learn to enjoy the music, not try to emulate it.
Trying to survive in the heart of the ghetto. Cause that's the only place that I
This is Big Wayne from Glen Park.
This is Rochelle and Jefferson.
I got a special on Z's. Come see me.
Yo, this is MC Shithead.
I love you, Julio G. Can I have a t-shirt? I'll take my clothes off.
Radio Los Santos, boy.
Aquí estoy en ese Kid Force. Yo soy jefe, el patrón, it's the big boss. My cup is loaded, it's full of balas. I put it in your face and you won't say nada. Vatos cholos, you call us what you will. You say we are assassins, you truly got to kill. It's in my blood to be an Aztec boy. You go to any extreme and hold no barriers. Chicana, and I'm brown and proud. One thing's Chicago, Simona said let's get down. Right now, in the dirt. What's the matter? You afraid you're gonna get hurt? I'm with my homeboys, my ties, my camaradas. Kicking back on mi ganga y pa' mí no digan nada. Yo soy chingón ese, like Al Capone ese. Controla todo, so don't never try to sweat me. Some of you won't know what's happening with the pasa. It's not for you anyway, cause this is for the house. This is for the raza. Raza, raza. This is for the raza. The foreign tongue I'm speaking is known as Galo. Y sabes que loco, yo soy un malo. Tú no sabes nada, your brain is hollow. Been hit in the head too many times with a follow. Still you're trying to act cool, but you should know you're so cool that I'ma call you a gulo. You're just a peewee, you can't get none ever. You're on the lever. Your own radio doesn't back you up. They just look at your ass and call you a poo butt. And so I look and I laugh and say, ¿Qué pasa? Yeah, this is for the raza, raza, raza. Raza, raza. Cruising in the guy, you headed for the Volo. No one to go with me, so I had to go solo. And when I go out alone, I pack. I don't sweat the jalanas when I know that I'm strapped. Every time that I pack my piece, I pull it out quick, all the nonsense will cease. Just like the song when you're 18.